Let's now go to integumentary disorders. Let's discuss family history. Mr. K has a negative family history of arthritis, eczema, psoriasis, heart disease, diabetes, and skin cancer. He is an only child. Both parents are alive and well. His mother is sensitive to cosmetics and sunscreens and has a childhood history of itch and rashes. His parents and he all have fair skin and blue eyes. Inherited color of eyes, hair, and skin tone reveal signs of the skin's natural protection or lack of it. Many skin disorders are familial or genetic, so it is important to explore the family history of such disorders. Age of living relatives include relationship and health of parents, siblings, and children. Death includes relationship of the deceased to the patient and cause of death, specifically disorders that affect the skin. Chronic diseases, skin disorders, asked about chronic diseases in the family, include the relationship of the patient to the family member with the disease. Focus on inherited skin disorders or disorders that have skin manifestations. Inherited skin disorders are divided into several broad classifications. The disorders of keratinization are attributed to X-linked ichthyosis or excessive scaling of the skin. Neurocutaneous disorders are isolated to chromosome 17 and are characteristically recognized in early life by cafe au patches. Mechanobolus disorders, specifically epidermolysis bullosa, are caused by defects of keratin proteins and collagen genes that are responsible for structural integrity of the cells. Immune-mediated diseases such as atopic dermatitis, psoriasis, and seborrheic dermatitis are not inherited disorders specifically, but follow familial patterns. Disease cell mediated immunity may allow the skin to exhibit inflammation as a result of physical or emotional stressors. Family history relative to skin immune response includes asthma, hay fever, environmental allergens, and persistent rashes. Genetic defects. Ask about, is there a history of congenital birth defects? Thank you for your attention.